As our students escort our esteemed guest to the dais, it gives us immense pleasure to welcome them to this special occasion.
Your presence adds honor and prestige to our event. Let's welcome them with a warm round of applause, showing our appreciation for their time and support. Let's join your hands in welcoming our guests. I request the parents, students, and all other well-wishers, join your hands in welcoming our guests.
Coming together is a beginning. Staying together is progress. And working together is success. Good evening, everyone. With hearts full of joy and excitement, we welcome you all to our annual day celebration.
This evening is a reflection of our collective efforts, talents, and dreams. Thank you for being with us. It's going to be a memorable night.
Prayer is the key of the morning and bolt in the evening, said by Mahatma Gandhi.
As we celebrate this beautiful celebration, let us pause for a moment of gratitude.
We now invite you to join us for the prayer, seeking blessings and serenity for the occasion ahead.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्.
Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 to 7. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not rely on your own insight. In all your ways acknowledge Him and He will make straight your paths. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and turn away from evil. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बना आतिना फिद दुनिया हसनतव व फिल आखिरती हसनतव वाखिना अज़ाबन्नार.
Thank you, dear friends, for your prayers. Light is the symbol of truth, knowledge, and wisdom. To mark an auspicious beginning, let us light the ceremonial lamp. We invite our honorable dignitaries to join us on stage and illuminate the evening with the light of knowledge and hope. Let's invite.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते. दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते. दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म.
We pay heartfelt tribute to the revered spiritual leader, Pope Francis, whose compassionate guidance and vision for a more just and compassionate world continue to inspire millions globally.
His Holiness' tireless advocacy for peace, environmental stewardship, and human dignity has left an indelible mark on humanity.
Let's all stand to pay tribute to our Holy Father, Pope Francis.
I request all the parents and our well-wishers, please stand to pay homage to Holy Father, Pope Francis.
He walks the path so plain and clear, a shepherd's voice the world can hear. With open arms he breaks the wall. He answers even the faintest call. Oh, Pope Francis, light that guides the way. place. He pours his heart to heal the pain. He soothes the soul through drought and rain. A humble man with mighty care. The world's his rock, he's always there. Oh, Pope Francis, the light that guides the way. Truth and loving words you pray. Through the shadows you bring grace. Lifted hearts in every place. In your hands, the olive stains.
Thank you. Please be seated. Music has the power to uplift soul and strengthen spirit.
As we gather here to celebrate this momentous occasion, let me invite the choir to lead us in a soulful prayer song, filling us with devotion and serenity.
May the melodies lift our spirits and set tone for the beautiful celebration ahead.
Let's invite them.
Thank you, dear Josephites, for your melodious song. Now, I would like to invite the architect of our school, Reverend Sister Sandhya Rani, to welcome the gathering.
The future belongs those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Exciting good evening to everyone. It is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome each and every one of you to our much anticipated annual day program. This occasion marks a celebration of achievement, collaboration, and the vibrant spirit of our institution. President of today's mega finale, Reverend Sister Vijaya Udumula, the Provincial Superior, esteemed Chief Guest, Sri Dhulipala Narendra Kumar Garu, MLA, Ponnur Constituency, and our honored guests, Sri Dr. Ramul Garu, Judge, Tribunal Court, Sri Jyoti Basu, CEO, Jilla Parishad, and Reverend Father Naveen, Parish Priest Nambur, the Provincial Council members, Reverend Sister Rajakumari Erva, Sister Julie Anthony, Reverend Sister Regina Mary, the correspondent, dear fathers, sisters, brothers, and principals of prestigious institutions, and my dear parents, once again, a hearty welcome to you all. Annual Day is a festive for all of us. It's a celebration of talents and the confidence of these children. Dear students, today is a day to showcase your talents, hard work, and dedication. This platform belongs to you, and we are incredibly proud of all that you have accomplished. Our students have put in their best to entertain each one of you, and they need your support and your presence till the end of the entire program. At St. Joseph's, we are very proud of our parents' community. They are very supportive in all our endeavors as we parents and teachers together aim to give our best to the child of today so that they become men and women of competence and character of tomorrow. Let us now begin this special day with great enthusiasm as we come together to celebrate the milestones we have reached and the journey that lies ahead. Once again, I renew my warm welcome to each one of you. May the moments and memories and that we create today last our lifetime. Sit back, relax, and have an enjoyable Navrasas with us. Thank you. God bless us.
Thank you, sister, for your awesome welcoming words. Dance is the hidden language of the soul.
Now let the stage come alive, presenting a colorful dance performance that celebrates spirit, energy and culture.
Let's immerse ourselves with a rhythm of vibrant welcome dance.
Now let's welcome them.
Swagatam Swagatam Suswagatam
Takkidtakatadhittattam Takkidtakatadhittattai Takkidtakatadhittattom Tattakitta Tattakittanam Tattakitta Tattakittadhim Tattakitta Tattakittattadhinginnattu Tattirikitatum Tom Tattakitta Tattakittata Tattakitta Tattakittanam Tattakitta Tattakittatadhinginnattu Tattirikitatum Tom Tattakittatadhinginnattu Tattakittatadhinginnattu Tadhinginnattu Tattirikitatum Ta Tadhinginnattu Tattirikitatum Tai Tadhinginnattu Targitum Targitum Targitum
Swagatamide atithulaku Swagatamide manyulaku Swagatamide atithulaku Swagatamide manyulaku Swagatamide atithulaku Swagatamide manyulaku Swagatamide karuna hrudaya janani janakulaku Swagatamide karuna hrudaya janani janakulaku స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం స్వాగతం ఘన స్వాగతం స్వాగతం విరి స్వాగతం స్వాగతం శుభ స్వాగతం అజ్ఞానపు అంధకార తిమిరములను రూపుమాపి విజ్ఞాన వివేకముల మిహిరపు వెలుగులు నింపి అజ్ఞానపు అంధకార తిమిరములను రూపుమాపి విజ్ఞాన వివేకముల మిహిరపు వెలుగులు నింపి మా జీవిత విలువలకు విరిపల్లెల బాట వేసి మా జీవిత విలువలకు విరిపల్లెల బాట వేసి మా ఉన్నతి మీ కలయని సాగిపోవు గురువులకు మా ఉన్నతి మీ కలయని సాగిపోవు గురువులకు స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం స్వాగతం ఘన స్వాగతం స్వాగతం విరి స్వాగతం స్వాగతం శుభ స్వాగతం
తగ్గన్న ధన్నత కంగడదగ తరికిడదగ తలాంగుదగ తత్రికిడం తజ్జన్ను జన్ను తై కంగడదగ తరికిడదగ తలాంగుదగ తత్రికిడం తద్దన్న ధన్నత తజ్జన్ను జన్ను తై తద్దింబి ధిమ్మిత తక్కిట కిట్ట తై తద్దన్న ధన్న తజ్జండు జన్ను తద్దింబి దింబి తక్కిట కిట్ట తద్దన్న తజ్జండు తద్దింబి తజ్జండు తగదినతం తగదినతం తగదినతం
ప్రేమాభిమానాల తేనెల ముద్దలు కలిపి మమతానురాగాల మాధుర్యపు సిరులు పంచి ప్రేమాభిమానాల తేనెల ముద్దలు కలిపి మమతానురాగాల మాధుర్యపు సిరులు పంచి అలు పెరుగని త్యాగాలతో మాయిద కోవెలలో నిలిచి అలు పెరుగని త్యాగాలతో మాయిద కోవెలలో నిలిచి దైవాలుగా వెలుగొంది మాతా పితలకు దైవాలుగా వెలుగొందే మాతా పితలకు ఇది మా స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం స్వాగతం ఘన స్వాగతం స్వాగతం విరి స్వాగతం స్వాగతం శుభ స్వాగతం పారిజాత సౌగంధిక పరిమళ సొగసులు కూర్చి హరిచందన సుగంధాల పన్నీటిని విరచల్లి పారిజాత సౌగంధిక పరిమళ సొగసులు కూర్చి హరిచందన సుగంధాల పన్నీటిని విరచల్లి రసభావ భంగిమల స్వరజతి లయ గతులతో
తక్క తిప్పి తక్క జండు తక్క తిప్పి తక్క జండు తక్క తిప్పి తక్క జండు కిడతక తరికిడతాం తక్క తిప్పి తక్క జండు కిడతక తరికిడతాం తక్క తిప్పి తక్క జండు కిడతక తరికిడతాం కిడతక తరికిడతాం కిడతక తరికిడతాం కిడతక తరికిడతాం కిడతక తరికిడతాం 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 తరికిడతక ధింద తరికిడతక ధింద తరికిడత
రసభావ భంగిమల స్వరజతి లయ గతులతో అతిథులకు సరసులకు మహిమాన్విత చరితులకు అతిథులకు సరసులకు మహిమాన్విత చరితులకు స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం స్వాగతం ఘన స్వాగతం స్వాగతం విరి స్వాగతం స్వాగతం శుభ శుభ స్వాగతం స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం స్వాగతం ఘన స్వాగతం స్వాగతం వెరీ స్వాగతం స్వాగతం శుభ స్వాగతం ఘన స్వాగతం శుభ స్వాగతం.
Thank you, dear Josphites, for your graceful welcome. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Every chapter of the year has its own story of learning, of growing, and of achieving. Now let's take a look back through our annual report highlighting the year's journey.
The quest of knowledge in nature's vast and wondrous design. Questions abound and curiosity shines. From stars above to earth below, we seek answers and truths to know. Two sacred places, pure and true, hold the keys to knowledge, old and new. The mother's lap, a heaven of love, where question fade and wisdom rises above. The second temple, a school so fine, where young minds grow and futures align. A place where dreams are shaped and molded with care, where scientists, doctors and leaders emerge to share. In these two hallowed halls, we find our way to answers, wisdom, a brighter day. The mother's love, a guiding light. The school's knowledge, a beacon in flight.
ఏంట్రా అలా కూర్చున్నావు?
ఏంటమ్మా ఇది? దీంతో ఎంత ఊదినా లైట్ వెలగట్లేదు.
అలా ఎలా వెలిగిద్ది? స్విచ్ వేయాలి కదా.
మరి అక్కడ వెలుగుతుంది కదా. మరి దీంతో ఊదినా వెలగాలి కదా.
ఒక పిచ్చి ముద్ద, అవన్నీ నీకు అర్థం కావు.
ఎందుకు అర్థం కావమ్మా?
అవన్నీ అర్థం అవ్వాలంటే నువ్వు బాగా చదువుకోవాలి.
సరే అమ్మా, నేను కూడా బాగా చదువుకుంటా.
కార్తీక్, రే కార్తీక్.
అమ్మా,
ఎలాంటి స్కూల్లో చదవాలనుకుంటున్నావురా?
మంచి స్కూల్ అమ్మా. అది ఎలా ఉండాలంటే అసలు అక్కడ చదివితే చాలా పెద్ద అయిపోవాలి. నేను బాగా చూసుకోవాలి. అదిగో ఆ విమానంలో తీసుకెళ్ళాలి.
శిరీష, ఎలా ఉన్నావు? బాగున్నాను. మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? నేను బాగున్నానులే, కానీ ఏంటి ఇలా సడన్ గా? ఏం లేదులే, కానీ ఇంటికి మీ వాడేం చదువుతున్నాడు? 9th క్లాస్. లేదు హారిక, మా వాడు స్కూల్కి వెళ్తానని ఒక్కటే గొడవ, అన్ని ప్రశ్నలే, ఏదో ఒకటి చేయాలనే తపన. వాడిని ఏదైనా మంచి స్కూల్లో జాయిన్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను.
అయితే ఏముంది, ఇలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే పిల్లలే కదా రేపు పొద్దున మంచి సైంటిస్టులు అయ్యేది.
ఏం సైంటిస్టో ఏమో, ఎక్కడ జాయిన్ చేయాలో అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
అవునా, మన సెయింట్ జోసెఫ్ స్కూల్ గురించి తెలియదా? మా వాడు అక్కడే చదివేది. అతి తక్కువ ఫీజుతో మంచి సౌకర్యాలతో మంచి విద్యను అందించేది అక్కడ మాత్రమే.
అవునా హారిక, మా వాడికి అక్కడ సీట్ వచ్చేలాగా హెల్ప్ చేయవా?
అంత మాటలు ఎందుకులే కానీ, ఈరోజు కొంచెం బయటికి వెళ్ళే పని ఉంది. నాకు తెలిసిన మేడం ఈరోజు అక్కడికే వెళ్తున్నారు. తనని పరిచయం చేస్తాను. తను నీకు అన్నీ చెప్తుంది. తనతో వెళ్తే స్కూల్ కూడా చూసినట్టుంటుంది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ హారిక.
Hi, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Please be seated. So, what do you want, ma'am?
She is my friend.
Oh, nice to meet you, ma'am. Please, how can I help you?
మా బాబు అడ్మిషన్ కోసం వచ్చాము.
ఓకే,
నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను మ్యామ్ స్కూల్ గురించి, కానీ దానికి కొన్ని డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మీరైతే మంచిగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారని తీసుకొచ్చాను మ్యామ్.
అవునండి, చెప్పారు.
Okay, we follow different curriculum for high school. High school we follow NCERT curriculum, and whereas for primary and pre-primary we have another curriculum which is designed to provide a well-rounded development education to our students. We have a range of facilities including state-of-the-art classrooms and library, science labs, sports facilities and so on. To give you a better picture, I'll take you to the classrooms. Okay, so please follow me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. She is Mrs. Beulah, in charge of pre-primary.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi. Beulah, explain about the activities of pre-primary to the parents.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. So, we follow our experiential curriculum in our school. So, we want Josephites to be ideate, create and display the skills to be competent. And last year we had done Vidyaram 2.0. So it is an inceptional of knowledge. So that is the program has been conducted to make the students to invite for the school for the first time. So the parents are very excited to bring these students to join in their second home. And every month we also conduct different activities based on the themes. One month it might be a fruits day and the colors day, vegetables day. So in that we allow all the students to participate and we teach them how to do all the programs. And now you can also hear from our students.
Snacks best. I eat fruit, drink juice, I play with friends. We will play with toys, building blocks, and outside we will run and play on swing. I like painting. I paint big rainbow with lots of colors. My hand is messy. My teachers are beautiful.
Thank you for visiting our class, ma'am.
Thank you, Beulah.
Thank you, ma'am.
We will proceed to the next one. Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. May we come in?
Yes, you may, ma'am.
Please. She is Miss Daivakrupa, one of the primary teachers.
Good morning, ma'am.
They wanted to know about primary activities. Explain.
Sure, ma'am. We follow Sparkle publication, ma'am. While teaching, we use digital content also. Along with that, photo, grammar and speech is meant for better communication skills.
Every month we are planning different kinds of activities based on the theme, ma'am.
Thank you, Devkrupa.
Thank you. You are welcome, ma'am.
This is our computer lab 1. So please come. She is Miss Sarala, HOD of IT department. Our parents.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So she wants to know about our computer activities. That's why I brought them here. So please explain what you follow and all other things.
Okay, ma'am. I'm very excited to introduce one of the exciting part of the school, that is computer lab. Earlier we had just one lab with 50 systems which served us very well, but as technology continues to grow and the school management decided to expand 2 computer labs of 80 systems with high-speed internet, comfortable seating and upgraded systems.
Apart from computers, any other activities?
Yes, along with this we have been using excellent digital platform called Olipsu since last year. It offers interactive and creative lessons on AI, data science and coding, and also aligned with their capability and the talent of the students. And one more thing I want to share that is most exciting. The students are performed well on this platform and the school got first rank among all the top 10 schools at national wide, and this achievement reflects commitment and that is given to the children a foundational level, not only in academics but also confidence, creativity and digital skills.
Thank you, Sarala. So that's it, ma'am.
She is Mrs. Rani, the HOD of Science Department, will give you some more details about the school.
Good morning, ma'am. The strength of the school is its staff and students. As time unfolds, new leaders took charge, each leaving a unique imprint in school legacy. The school started with hundreds of students. Today, it flourished to thousands. Presently, the school comprises of 1554 students from Balavatika to 10th grade with unique talents and aspirations. Supporting to this, we had a dedicating team of 75 staff members, including teaching, non-teaching and supporting staff who tirelessly work for high quality education and also holistic development that we value for. Our school consists of a fleet of 14 buses with well experienced drivers and also following all safety measures.
Can we hear the legacy of the St. Joseph CBSE through our correspondent, Reverend Sister Regina Mary?
I am immensely grateful to God Almighty for St. Joseph's CBSE school at Pedakakani. Our charismatic founder, Reverend Father Matthias Wolf SJ, in his foresight, envisioned a mission and carved out a culture of service and ever-adaptable apostolic availability for JNG sisters. The Wolf's spiritual legacy echoed all over the world and touched India too in 1904. Education is one such strategic move to dispel the ignorance of the poorest of the poor. St. Joseph's, a knowledge hub, was opened in 1905. St. Joseph's dared to dream big and reached out all. 118 years of experience in the education front created a niche segment in the academic field in AP. In order to meet the challenges and ever-growing demands of the contemporary world, the first CBSE school was opened on 10th June 2013 with a foresightedness of Reverend Sister Regina Mary, then the Provincial Superior and her council, with the strenuous efforts of Sister Roslyn Arland, the first principal, and Sister Rosie Anthony, the finance manager of St. Joseph's High School, Guntur, and obtained its affiliation from the CBSE board on 22nd May 2014. In 2018, St. Joseph's CBSE school moved its scholastic operation to the new campus at Petakakani. At this juncture, we also gratefully remember the hard work of Sister Mary Mazrallo, the second principal, who toiled for 6 years till 2022. I wish all the best and God's blessings to the present principal, Sister Sandhya Rani, and all the teaching, non-teaching staff and students. Teaching, non-teaching and students. May I encourage all the parents and well-wishers to hope more from St. Joseph's CBSE School, Petakakani, and to join us for collective thinking and collaborative learning and leap forward while we break new grounds in developing millennial kids to global citizens. Learning and leap forward while we break new grounds in developing millennial kids to global citizens.
Our principal is having review meet with the student cabinet. Let's get some more information from them.
Welcome everyone. We are excited to hear your feedback regarding our progress and achievements with Student Council. Students, have you noticed any recent updates or changes in our school's infrastructure? Do you feel these changes are making things better for our students?
Good morning, Honorable Principal Sister. I, Navneet, the Sapphire House Captain, would be ecstatic to briefly highlight the infrastructural developments of this academic year. It is our endeavor to update and upgrade our teaching methodology by leveraging digital technology. Our school is blessed with a state-of-the-art infrastructure that supports a dynamic and enriching learning environment for the students. The school is equipped with sophisticated and well-designed laboratories that cater to the academic needs of the students as per CBSE guidelines. The school's infrastructure stands proud and tall on 57 classrooms and individual areas for different co-curricular activities such as chess, dancing, karate, etc. In addition to this, the school's infrastructure also includes a well-maintained, healthy and hygienic restrooms, spacious digital classrooms, wellness room, an updated library consisting of 4,600 books which are regularly updated with new arrivals, and the Josephite Studio which regularly updates the students about the school's events and the school's achievements. And we also have an aqua RO plant and a lift system which contribute to a positive and conducive learning environment for the students. The school's infrastructure is constantly upgraded to enhance the students' academic and personal development. That's it, sister. Thank you.
That's understandable. Students, are the academic curriculum and classroom activities meeting your expectations?
I, Hadisa Raj, one of the captains of the literary club, here to express the academic achievements of the year 2023 to 24. If you develop a passion for learning, you will never cease to grow. We feel elated to share that the students of class 10 who appeared for the secondary school examination held by CBSE for the sessions 2023 to 24 passed with flying colors. 114 students from our school have appeared for the examination, and the highest mark is scored by Sheikh Mehboob, and the school gained 10% results. We feel proud to say that our school is placed as one of the top 5 schools in Guntur district. Congrats, dear brothers and sisters, for your excellent performance throughout the year, and warm wishes for your bright future. I, Vileka, one of the captains of literary committee, standing before you to share some other important points on our school's achievements. Academic excellence and marvelous achievements are the testimony of hard work, dedication and perseverance of our proud Josephites. They have demonstrated exceptional outstanding talent and commitment, inspiring us all to strive for greatness. Honorable sister and all the members, I feel proud to say that we have won laurels in various competitions like essay writing, elocution, quiz, spell bee, which were conducted in Telugu, Hindi, English languages at inter-school level, state and district level.
Government of Andhra Pradesh organizes Energy Conservation Week every year. As a part of it, this year we have won second place for the documentary making of energy conservation. And I feel elated to share that continuously for the past 3 years, we have been receiving first and second places for the documentary making. Respected sister and all the members, that's all of the achievements of the academic year 2024 to 2025. Thank you.
I, Olive Martina, the captain of Spoken English Club, am here to express my thoughts on our school achievements. Our principal, Reverend Sister Sandhya Rani, has been honored with the Emerging Contribution in Education Hero Award for her dedication in the field of education. Our school was also awarded with the India K-12 Award on the 25th of September 2024 for promoting the STEM education. We feel delighted to have secured the Best School title C4 School Awards 2024, ranking 5th in Guntur district, organized by the Brain Feed in Delhi. We have also received the ET Tech School Excellence Award. The Brain Feed's 11th National Conference was held on the 16th of December 2024 in Hyderabad. Our school was selected as one of the best schools nationwide. These awards are the testament to the dedication and hard work of our principal sister and staff in delivering a holistic and top-tier educational experience. Thank you.
Fine dears, thank you for your wishes. The quality of a leader is reflected in the standards they set for themselves. Your voice is needed in assembly. Can you talk about club activities?
Good morning, Honorable Sister. This is Sai Hrithik, IT Club Captain. Now I would like to introduce various school clubs. Schools now provide a holistic education that perfectly balances between academic and co-curricular activities. It is one of the reasons of the growing popularity of school clubs. It is more than just a place where students of various age groups spend time with each other, learning and honing their talents. Not all learning just comes from class. In fact, many life skills can be learned from school clubs. Here are few glimpses of various club activities that were conducted to promote JPIC in our class. Eco Club. This club was initiated to promote environmental conservation and awareness among students. Various initiatives like Plantation Drive, Cleanliness Drive, Waste Management and Energy Conservation Week were organized. Cultural Club. This club have been successfully promoted diverse cultural heritage in our students. Various initiatives like Music Fest, Cultural Fest, Food Fest and also dance and singing competitions were organized. That's all, sister. Thank you.
Good morning, Honorable Principal Sister. I, Teja, the Captain of Health and Hygiene Club. I would like to add a few more points regarding our school clubs.
Continue, Teja.
Math Club. This club actively explores the concepts in mathematics through various activities like Math Olympiads, preparing mathematic models, games, puzzle solving, etc. Language Club. The Language Club fosters a sense of community, creativity and critical thinking among the students. It also helps us to develop LSRW skills, communication skills and preparing for various competitions like debate, essay writing, role play and elocution. FOXO Club. This club has been formed to provide a safe environment where all children are having an equal right to access education in an environment which is safe, protective and conducive to overall development. The challenges of gender inequality, teasing and sexual abuse in school environment may call for increased awareness and creating synergy among parents, teachers and schools. AI coding and data science. As per the National Education Policy 2020, promoting skill education in schools, we have taken up AI coding and data science through ULIPSU that aims to overcome the current social status associated with vocational education gradually, thus integrating vocational education programs into mainstream education to create a framework for mapping our future skills. That's all, sister. Thank you.
Well said, Teja. In your view, how well have JPIC activities helped in building positive values among students?
Good morning, Honorable Principal Sisters. I, Triprambika, Eco Club Captain, stand hereby to talk about JPIC. Start by doing what's necessary, then do what's possible, and suddenly you are doing impossible. Guided by this powerful quote, our school promotes various JPIC activities every year, making the impossible things possible within the school, home and community. Our JPIC team encourages and fosters every student to have positive thoughts and attitudes within themselves and towards others. Motivational speeches were given every day during school assemblies to inspire and uplift themselves. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. The most interesting part is that time is given for all the classes to engage themselves in the clean and green initiatives by planting saplings and maintaining the campus garbage free. Our management also organizes regular yoga and meditation sessions, allowing the children to experience the power of concentration. Education is the most powerful weapon which can change the world, said by Nelson Mandela. We aim to provide our students beyond academics. We come together by lending our helping hands to those in need, making a meaningful difference in their lives. Thank you, sister, for this great opportunity.
Keep going, Tripura. How happy are you all? The sports and games organized this academic year.
Good morning, Honorable Principal Sister. I, Chatriya, Captain of Sports, looking forward to state an outstanding victory in sports and games of this academic year 2024-25. Physical well-being attributes to the mental well-being. With a spirit of sportsmanship and excellence, we Josephites demonstrate remarkable skills, teamwork and dedication on the field, showcasing our passion for sports and games. Our school provides ample opportunities for the students to exercise, play and prove their skills in various sports and games. Our hard work and commitment has brought pride to our school by winning many championships, medals and mementos. Our students have participated in various inter-school and Sahodaya competition in athletics, badminton, rope skipping and bagged first and second places. My friend Sai Chiknika participated in gymnastic competition and won a silver medal. She has also been selected to represent our state at the national level gymnastic championship in Gujarat. Sheikh Abdul from 7th grade qualified to national level after achieving first place in the state level competition.
That's great, Chaturya.
Good morning, Honorable Principal Sister. I, Lasya, the captain of NCC, would like to add few more points regarding sports and games and would like to continue with NCC. Our scholars from 6th to 8th grades has been participated in the national group skipping that has been organized in Goa. Anvita Reddy from 6th standard bagged the first place in speed sprint skipping. Lasya and Karita secured the second place in double touch skipping. And Tirmalesh from 8th standard won the third prize. Being a sports captain, Purna Vivekanand from 9th standard participated in the athletics at Rajmundry and grandly stood in the first place among 50 students selected. Sheikh Aminuddin from 10th standard has participated in under-17 fencing competition that has been organized by SFR state tournament and secured first place. Coming to the district level sports meet. This year, the district level sports meet has been conducted in our school campus in a grand manner. Nearly 20 schools from different places has registered their names for various sports like volleyball, throwball, kho-kho and athletics. Students participated enthusiastically and won the prizes. Our courageous Josephites brought laurels in volleyball, kho-kho and shot put. Continuing with the NCC, wearing the NCC uniform is not just a matter of pride. It's a symbol of commitment towards the country. It signifies the willingness of the youth to serve the nation and do their bit for the betterment of the society. Taking the unity and discipline as the motto of the NCC, we the cadets are taking a step forward in giving the priority to the nation first. NCC is a golden opportunity to serve the motherland at the very young age with the categories of A, B, C certificates in different paths in defense like Army, Navy and Air Force are the available courses. I myself witnessed the changes in me after finishing my A certificate with A grade, where I have achieved some of the achievements and honors from NCC and my school too. That includes the Best NCC Cadet Award for 2024 to 2025 on behalf of the Secunderabad Directorate from my 25 Andhra Battalion NCC among 750 to 800 cadets under the junior category. My school handed over me the responsibility of being an NCC captain. Are not the hackles beautiful than red roses? Choose it wisely. Thank you, sister, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Congratulations, Lasya. Keep it up. Did the cultural events held this year give a chance to all the students to participate and to showcase their talents?
Good morning, Honorable Principal Sister. I am Manjula, Captain of Cultural Club. I am here to say about the sparkling moments of our school. Life is a celebration of happy moments. We just need persons to celebrate it. Our school gives due recognition to significant global events and celebrate every occasion. Some of the events are Sports Day, Vana Mahotsav Day, International Women's Day, Yoga Day, World Peace Day, Science Day and World Conservation Day, etc. Let me add one more detail. Leadership is not about titles or positions. It is about one life influencing another. Celebrations help the students feel connected to their school and each other, fostering a sense of belonging and shared identity. In next year ceremony is a significant milestone in our journey as we take new roles and responsibilities to lead the school activities with integrity, wisdom and courage. Our school gives an opportunity to all the selected students to develop a sense of leadership, and it is a platform to showcase our leadership skills and abilities of our students, and is the most prestigious ceremony in schedule of our school events. Thank you, sister. My friend Mehak will continue. Good morning, Honorable Principal Sister. I, Mehak, Culture Club Captain. Now I would like to add some more points on festivals. To foster our national integration, international understanding, religious awareness and tolerance, various national and religious festivals were celebrated with due pomp and grandeur. A national festival is like a heartbeat of a nation. We celebrate all national festivals like Kargil Vijay Divas, Republic Day and Independence Day with due reverence for our motherland and with a sense of patriotism in our hearts. Now, talking about religious festivals, let every festival be a moment to renew our faith and strengthen our bonds. We celebrate all religious festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, Krishnastami, Dashera, Diwali, Christmas, Pongal and Ramzan with due respect of the religious sentiments of our students. That's all about the celebration, sister. Thank you.
Hafsa, did students genuinely enjoy educational trips? Were they fun and meaningful?
Good morning, Honorable Principal Sister. I, Hafsa, the Captain of Discipline Committee, is here to convey my experience about the educational trips which were arranged by our school management. So, as we know, learning by doing is the best way of learning. So, we have taken this as an ideal and arranged many educational tours for primary students and also high school students. For primary students, they visited malls, gardens, factories and even orphanages too. High school students have visited Coorg, Bangalore, Mysore and Hyderabad. These kind of educational trips help students to explore the science, language, culture of the particular place where they have visited, and also they will be able to expose themselves for the external environment. That's all about the educational trips. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Wonderful, Hafsa. Do you think the seminars and workshops attended by our teachers helping to improve our students' learning outcomes?
I, Aminuddin, the captain of Topsos, would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to the seminars organized for our respected teachers. Our teachers actively engaged in CBSE online and offline training courses designed by the Centers of Excellence to enhance the students' learning outcomes. Mr. Sudharani, a resource person from Nalanda Group of Schools, conducted a seminar on classroom management in the month of June 2024. On 18th July, National Level Cybercrime Awareness Program was conducted by the SRM University, Amravati. Our Maths Science Social faculty attended a seminar on competency-based assessments organized by CBSE. Resource persons, Mr. Sudharani, Academic Coordinator from Nalanda Group of Schools, Mr. Sarla, Principal of Viva Schools, Mr. NVK Prasad, Principal of DPS School, equipped teachers with analytical and practical insights of assessing the students. In addition to this, Ms. Brahmadevi, Principal of Bharati Vidya Bhavan, conducted a seminar on art integration in our school on 8th March 2025. Bindya, Chaitanya and their Ulipsu team had come to our school and conducted a seminar and brought insight on artificial intelligence, coding, data science and life skills, equipping our teachers with future kind knowledge. Violence Against the Women Awareness Program was conducted by Dr. P. Girijan, a distinguished gynecologist, focusing on good touch versus bad touch and legal protection for women and children.
Can you share the milestones that shaped your journey in school?
Milestone that has brought the changes in our academic run. Quality education is the cornerstone for a prosperous future. The CBSE appointed inspection committee had visited our school to assess the feasibility and readiness of the proposed site for relocation. The committee focused on key parameters which includes the infrastructure adequacy, accessibility, safety measures and compliance with educational regulation. The committee conducted a comprehensive review on the available facilities, examining the classroom spaces, the laboratory provisions, the administrative blocks, and the essential amenities. Particular attention was taken on the construction quality and the environmental factors like the sanitary system, the ventilation, and the development of the surroundings. The committee members were highly impressed by the school infrastructure and facilities. Through these outcomes, our school moved enthusiastically and believes that every step taken leads to the successful execution of this transition. That's it, sister. Thank you.
That's really unimaginable, Saket. Can you share the milestones that shaped your journey in school?
As an outgoing student, I am very much satisfied with the activities organized and conducted in our school. I am grateful for the opportunities and supportive environment which helped me to grow academically and personally. According to my opinion, the school can continue the same activities by updating ourselves regularly. That's it, sister. Thank you.
The purpose of education is to replace an empty mind with an open one. As we reflect on the year gone by, we take pride having pursued our vision with an unwavering commitment to nurture the holistic development of every child emotionally, intellectually, psychologically, spiritually and socially. We strive to create an environment rooted in love, joy and service, upholding our core values and staying true to our mission of promoting universal brotherhood and the spirit of tolerance. On 28th March, we celebrated Graduation Day and proudly we awarded 400 students who achieved 95% and above in academic excellence. My heart overwhelms in gratitude to God Almighty for His abundant blessings throughout the year, and my heartfelt thanks to our dedicated teachers, supportive parents, valued collaborators, and above all, our beloved students. Your tireless efforts have made this journey meaningful and impactful. Together, we have accomplished remarkable milestones. Let us continue to move forward with purpose and passion, shaping a brighter, more compassionate future for the generations to come. I would like to conclude with a quote, like an eagle, we will rise above with passion and perseverance. Thank you. Jai Hind.
It is with great pride and immense pleasure that I stand before you today to welcome our chief guest, a leader whose name is synonymous with dedication, service and leadership. Sri Dhulipala Narendra Kumar Garu, onto the dais by escorted our NCC cadets.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. సెయింట్ జోసెఫ్ స్కూల్ యాన్యువల్ డే సెలబ్రేషన్ సందర్భంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి అధ్యక్షత వహించిన సిస్టర్ సంధ్యారాణి గారు, అలాగే గౌరవ అతిథులుగా విచ్చేసిన ప్రొవిన్షియల్ విజయ మేరీ గారు, అలాగే జడ్జి గారు రాములు గారు, మా సిఇఓ జ్యోతి బసు గారు, అలాగే మన పారిష్ ప్రీస్ట్ బ్రదర్ నవీన్ గారు, ఇక్కడ విచ్చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి, తల్లిదండ్రులకి, విద్యార్థులకి ఈ యాన్యువల్ డే సందర్భంగా హృదయపూర్వకమైన శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నా. దయచేసి ముందుగా నన్ను క్షమించాలని కోరుతా ఉన్నా, ఎందుకంటే స్కూల్ రిపోర్ట్ ఇంకా చాలా ఉంది. కాకపోతే మాకు టైం తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి మధ్యలో నేను వాకింగ్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది. దయచేసి ఏమనుకోవద్దు, ఎందుకంటే ఈ స్కూల్ టూర్ మొత్తం తీసుకెళ్తే రాత్రి వరకు మేము ఇక్కడే ఉంటాం. సో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఎ బిగ్ క్యాంపస్, లాట్ ఆఫ్ చిల్డ్రన్, lot of progress. We'll really appreciate the dedication of JMG Sister Society for spreading the education in the surrounding villages. నేను అడిగాను ఎక్కడెక్కడి నుంచి అంటే బుడంపాడు, గుంటూరు, కంతేరు, డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెన్సీస్ నుంచి కూడా పిల్లలు ఇక్కడికి వస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ఐ విల్ రియల్లీ అప్రిషియేట్ యువర్ లాంగ్ జర్నీ ఆఫ్ అరౌండ్, నేను అనుకోవటం మోర్ దాన్ ఏ డెకేడ్. సో టోటల్ టీం అందరికీ కూడా నా హృదయపూర్వకమైన శుభాకాంక్షలు. బట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ స్మాల్ సెషన్ టు ద సంధ్యారాణి గారు కావచ్చు, ప్రొవిన్షియల్ కావచ్చు. సో ఆ వీడియోలో కొద్దిగా తెలుగుని యాడ్ చేయండి. సో ఎందుకంటే గ్రామీణ వాతావరణం నుండి వచ్చే పిల్లలకి ఈ వీడియోలో కూడా మీరు ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. బట్ బికాజ్ ఈవెన్ దో వీ గ్రో సో మచ్, మా దగ్గర ఉన్న నేను కావచ్చు, రాములు గారు కావచ్చు, మా సిఇఓ గారు కావచ్చు, సో మేమందరం జెడ్పీ హై స్కూల్స్ నుంచి చదువుకొని వచ్చిన వాళ్ళం, ప్రభుత్వ ఉన్నత పాఠశాలల్లో నుంచి తెలుగు మీడియంలో చదువుకొని ఒకే పొజిషన్స్లో డిఫరెంట్ పొజిషన్స్లో ఉండొచ్చు. సో తెలుగు అనేది ఇట్స్ ఏ మదర్ టంగ్. ఎందుకంటే కమ్యూనికేషన్ అనేది చాలా ముఖ్యంగా మదర్ టంగ్లో చెప్పినంతగా మిగతా భాషల్లో చెప్తే చదువురాని ఒక పేరెంట్ని మీరు తీసుకొచ్చి స్కూల్లో ఒక వీడియో అంటే ఇట్స్ ఓన్లీ సజెషన్, డోంట్ థింక్ అదర్వైజ్, డోంట్ టేక్ ఇన్ ఏ నెగిటివ్ సెన్స్, బట్ ఐఎమ్ ఇన్ ఏ పాజిటివ్ వే ఐఎమ్ సజెస్టింగ్. ఎందుకంటే ఒక పేరెంట్ మీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆమెకు ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తే ఆ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆమెకు అర్థం కాదు, దట్స్ అ రియాలిటీ. సో ఐ విష్ దట్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం వెన్ యూ మేక్ స్మాల్ చేంజెస్ ఇట్ సింక్స్ విత్ యువర్ స్కూల్. సో ఐ ఓన్లీ సజెస్ట్ దట్. ఎందుకంటే తెలుగు అనేది మాతృభాష. మనం అవునన్నా కాదన్నా మనం ఎక్కడ పుట్టామంటే భారతదేశంలో పుట్టాం, ఎక్కడ పుట్టామంటే పలానా ఊరని చెప్పాల్సిందే. సో వీఆర్ ప్రౌడ్ టు బి ఇండియన్స్. భారతదేశం అనేది ఒక గొప్ప దేశం. ఇది ఇందాక మన పిల్లలు చూపెట్టారు చక్కగా భరతనాట్యం చేసి. సో ఒక గొప్ప వారసత్వానికి మనందరం కూడా వారసులం. వీ హ్యావ్ టు బి ప్రౌడ్. సో అలాగే పిల్లల్లో ఏంటంటే చదువు ఒక్కటే కాదు, ఇవాళ ఉన్న దానిలో పిల్లలకి నైతికత, నడవడిక, ఈ రెండు చాలా ప్రధానమైనవి. ఈ రెండు లేనప్పుడు ఎంత చదువు చదివినా కూడా ఉపయోగమేం లేదు. కాబట్టి చదువులో గొప్పవాళ్ళు అవ్వచ్చు, వాళ్ళకి నైతికత లేకపోయినా, సరైన నడవడిక లేకపోయినా, వారి చదివిన చదువు వల్ల సమాజానికి ఉపయోగం కూడా ఉండదు. కాబట్టి ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళకు ఉపయోగపడితే పడుద్దేమో, సమాజానికి ఏమో ఉపయోగపడదు. కాబట్టి ఆ పిల్లలకి నైతికత కానీ నడవడిక కానీ నేర్పించే దానిలో ఖచ్చితంగా, ఎందుకంటే స్కూల్ ఫౌండేషన్ అనేది ప్రధానమైంది. ఇందాక మీరు చెప్పారు తల్లి ఒడి తర్వాత రెండో బడి ఏంటంటే స్కూలే. సో మేమందరం చిన్నప్పుడు చూసేవాళ్ళం, మా మాస్టర్లు, మా పేరెంట్స్ ఎవరు చదువుకున్న వాళ్ళు కాదు, కానీ మా స్కూల్లో టీచర్లే ఈ పిల్లలు ఎలా ఉన్నారు, ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్లో బాగా చదువుతున్నారు, వీళ్ళకి ఎలా చెప్పాలి అని ఆ రోజుల్లో ఉన్న హై స్కూల్లో టీచర్స్ మానిటర్ చేసేవాళ్ళు పిల్లల్ని. ఒకవేళ వీళ్ళ స్కూల్లో మార్క్స్ మ్యాథ్స్లో ఎక్కువ వస్తే వీడిని ఎంపీసీకి పంపించండి, సైన్స్లో ఎక్కువ వస్తే బైపీసీకి పంపించండి, లేకపోతే కామర్సు ఇటు కొన్ని సబ్జెక్టులో వస్తే సిఈసికి పంపించండి. ఇట్లా ఆ రోజుల్లో గైడ్ చేసేది ఎవరంటే టీచర్స్. కాబట్టి నేను చాలా ఈర్ష్యపడతా ఉంటా, ఇద్దరి మీదే ఈర్ష్యపడతా ఉంటా. నేను మా వాళ్ళకు కూడా చెప్తా ఉంటా, ఎవరంటే ఒకటి టీచింగ్ కమ్యూనిటీ, రెండు డాక్టర్స్. ఈ రెండు మేమెంత గొప్ప నాయకులు అని మేము అనుకున్నా కూడా, మీరు ఏ దేశం వెళ్ళినా ఎవరు చెప్పినా ముందుకి ఇదిగో నా టీచర్ గారు, మా గురువు గారు అని ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా పిల్లలు చెప్తారు. పలానా స్కూల్లో ఇక్కడ ఎంతోమందికి మీరు చదువులు చెప్తారు. 1500 మంది పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు. రేపు ఈ పిల్లలు ఎదిగి ఎక్కడెక్కడో పెద్ద పొజిషన్స్లో ఉంటారు. కానీ ఆ పిల్లలు మొదటగా గుర్తించేది ఎవరంటే గురువుని. అందుకనే చెప్తారు గురు బ్రహ్మ, గురు విష్ణు, గురుదేవో మహేశ్వర, గురు సాక్షాత్ పరబ్రహ్మ, తస్మైత్ శ్రీ గురువే నమః అని చెప్పి. కాబట్టి గురువుని మించిన దైవం లేదు. రెండోది డాక్టర్లు. ప్రాణం అనేది భగవంతుడు ఇస్తాడు, కానీ ఆ ప్రాణం నిలబెట్టడానికి ప్రయత్నించేది డాక్టర్లు. అందుకే వైద్యో నారాయణో హరి అంటారు. కాబట్టి వీళ్ళిద్దరు మా వాళ్ళు ఏమన్నా కలిసినప్పుడు చెప్తా ఉంటా. ఎందుకంటే స్కూల్స్ నడిపే వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా మాస్టర్ ఇదిగో మీ పిల్లలు అక్కడ చదివామండి, పలానా ఇయర్లో చదివాం మీ స్కూల్లో, పలానా టీచర్ దగ్గర చదివి. ఇప్పటికీ మాకు చదువు చెప్పిన టీచర్లు మేము ఇప్పటికీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటాం. సో ఈ ఇద్దరు చాలా ప్రధానం ఎవరికైనా. ఒకళ్ళు వైద్యులు, రెండోది గురువు. కాబట్టి అటువంటి పవిత్రమైన పిల్లలకి ఈ ప్రాంతంలో జేఎంజే సొసైటీ తరపున ఈ స్కూల్ని ఏర్పాటు చేసి పరిసర గ్రామాల్లో ఉన్న పిల్లలకి చదువుని, నడవడికని నేర్పించే దానిలో ప్రధానమైన పాత్ర పోషిస్తూ ఉన్న జేఎంజే సొసైటీ సిస్టర్స్కి, టీచర్స్కి అందరికీ కూడా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తూ, అలాగే పిల్లలందరికీ కూడా యాన్యువల్ డే సందర్భంగా శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ, అలాగే మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చాలా ఉంటాయి, చూడాలనే కోరుకున్నా కూడా సమయం మాకు తక్కువగా ఉంది, దయచేసి దాన్ని మన్నించవలసిందిగా ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని కోరుతూ, అలాగే ముఖ్యంగా స్కూల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ వారిని కూడా నేను కోరేది ఏంటంటే, దయచేసి మీరు మీ యాన్యువల్ డే రిపోర్టు మధ్యలో కట్ చేసి నేను డయాస్ మీదకి వచ్చా, దయచేసి ఏమనుకోవద్దు. ఎందుకంటే దీని తర్వాత మాకు ఇంకా కొంచెం ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి మీరు అనుకున్నంత సమయాన్ని మీతో గడపకపోయినా ఈ ప్రాంతానికి ప్రజాప్రతినిధిగా మా వంతు సహాయ సహకారాలు మీకు ఎప్పుడూ ఉంటాయని చెప్పి ఈ వేదిక మీదుగా తెలియజేస్తూ, ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి, ఎందుకంటే మనకి విద్యకు మించింది మనం దొంగలు అనేది ఏదైనా దోచుకోవచ్చు కానీ విద్యను దోచుకోలేరు. కాబట్టి విద్య అంత గొప్పది. చదువుకున్న వ్యక్తి కుటుంబంలో ఎదిగితే మరి ఆ వ్యక్తి ఒక్కడే ఎదగడు, ఆ కుటుంబం ఎదుగుతాయి. ఆ కుటుంబాలు ఎదిగితే సమాజం ముందుకెళ్తుంది. సో వ్యక్తిగా కుటుంబంగా ఎదగటం అనే దానిలో విద్య చాలా ప్రధానమైనది అనేది మనందరం కూడా గుర్తించాలని చెప్పి తెలియజేస్తూ జేఎంజే సొసైటీ చేస్తూ ఉన్న సామాజికమైన సేవలు, సామాజికమైన కార్యక్రమాలు ఎన్నో చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. చదువు ఒక్కటే, చదువు మనిషిని మార్చగలదు, మనిషిని ఎదగటానికి సహాయపడగలదు, మనిషిని ఈ సమాజాన్ని ప్రభావితం చేయడానికి ఉపయోగపడుతుందని చెప్పి తెలియజేస్తూ ఈరోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నన్ను ఆహ్వానించినందుకు హృదయపూర్వకమైన కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటా ఉన్నా. మరొక్కసారి అందరికీ యాన్యువల్ డే సందర్భంగా శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.
Thank you, sir, for your mesmerizing message. It is truly an honor to felicitate a true people's leader, a guardian of rural prosperity, and a shining example of public servant. Now I invite our principal, Reverend Sister Sandhya Rani and Mrs. Jennifer, to felicitate our chief guest with a sapling and a memento. Thank you, sir.